good too. I get lots of fishing stuff.
Oh, really?
And I don't fish.
Oh, you're not fishing?
So I have a whole backyard with big buckets of them that I try and give to people. This is a good one. Okay, and then wait, but on here is some pretty stuff. Stay. Oh, that's not good. Here, look at this one. It needs a new hook. So you put a new hook right there.
Uh-huh.
That one looks good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then I thought there might be one more weight. Oh, here's a swivel. This is like still a very good swivel. Here, this is very good.
All right, thank you very much.
So, you're welcome. Once again, I got saved. We got saved again. There we go. But I don't think we want to go down here because I keep hitting down here or something. But that was a lot of stuff that came up. Okay, but I don't want to keep getting stuck. I think what's happening is I'm just not strong enough to pull it off. Okay, let's go over to the other place. I'm gonna head over, guys. Bye. If I get anything really cool, I'll bring it back, okay? Okay. We're gonna head over to the littler docks. Sound like a plan? Because it's not so deep if I lose stuff. And not so illegal. I shouldn't be worried about the weight. I want to go look at that one big dock thing that's out there, though. I don't know why that would be there. These are all lily pad stuff over here. Over here they built this, but what they have is they have these big cement things with metal on them. So let's go. Oop, that has garbage on it. Let's get this. Over we go. Look, there's garbage over there too. Okay, let's get you forward. You guys got kind of foggy back here. Don't leave you forward there. So I got a little frog thing here. Pull it off. See it? Look at that. Yuck. Yuck. That is yucky. Would be that, right, guys? Tell me, who eats frogs here? Who wants the frogs? What fish wants the frogs? Not other things on the other side. So let's go do that on the other side. Yeah, we got it from the swim clinic. We can't just ignore this crap. I so want to just go bang net fishing, but I can't ignore the drunk. There's another bobber on the other side. Let's go. What a beautiful lake, huh? Okay, let's look at that. Hold on. think what happens, there's a can up on the ground. I think what happens is a lot of them get really stuck. I don't see anybody fishing over here right now. Usually there's tons of people. We're gonna go through these small ones. See how they're rotting? Can you see how the lily pads are rotting? They're not as beautiful anymore here at this lake. Okay? Soon they'll all be gone. Well, let's take a quick look through here and see what we can find garbage-wise. Maybe we can do some magnet fishing over by here. So there are a lot of lily pads. You know, lily pads don't hurt us. Let's see what else we can see. What do you guys think? You hear them scraping on the boat? Now, I do see a big black garbage bag over by the, that's a lily pad, right? Over by the garbage can. So maybe somebody else already came and cleaned up today. It would be so special with everything. Right? What do you guys think? Listen to the sound of it? Kind of sounds funny. Somebody went fishing here. Should we dip for a minute and see what we find? See if we get stuck? Ooh, we're not tied on. That's never a good idea. Always be tied on. Where's our tie? Ah, here's our tie. I don't think it's that deep here. But again, if you run into one of those cement blocks, you're just stuck there. Right? Cigarette butts all over there, though. There's a big hook. Oh, we're not turned around. Hopefully you're going to be okay, and it's not going to be all foggy. It happens too much to me lately. Got stuff. Oh yeah, look at that. Your shirt. Oh, look at that shirt. I wonder if we could wash that one up. Look at that one. It says I am thinking. Do you see it? I am thinking. I don't know if we're all blurry up. There's the bottle cap. Here's the bottle cap. You know what I probably did? Was probably got that wet. See, does that make it better? Oh, that does make it better. Does that make it better? Yeah, it does. See that shirt? I'm gonna try and clean that shirt up. That's fun. I am thinking. It's cotton, but it has a bunch of stuff on it. What's here? Here's the rockos. Here's a weight. Okay. Here's a little nail. Here's a little hook. Kelly. Here's a little squiggly thing for Risha. Risha. Ooh, ah. Not a big one, just a little squiggly. You know. That has nothing. Okay, let's see. Because somebody was sitting here. Their cigarette butts are in there. Look at that. They sat here and they threw in their cigarette butts. What good people. What good people. I love it. Yeah? Yeah, that has stuff on it. Hold on. Fix it? Yeah, that's better. What's that? That was a bottle cap right there. That's a fishing hook. Grass. There's fishing line. Oh, is that fishing line? Yeah. Oh. There's a little U thing, and that's fishing line. Okay. And that is a little tiny, tiny hook. That's it. It's a rock. Oh, that's just roots. Gotta separate out the roots from the fishing line. That's fishing line. That's fishing line. Interesting. There's fishing line. Okay. Oh, I see a bobber. Let's go get that. Look how thick this grass is. Wow. There's a bobber. That's a smashed up one, but it's still in here. See that? What do you guys think? God, I can't wait. I always want to find things. This is, to me, this is just so fascinating. And at the same time, I get to clean up the environment. And I know there's people who don't get this, but I just love it. And this goes forever. Where are you hooked to? Wow, there's weights right there. It must be coming to the end. Yep, there's a big rusty hook. Okay, see the big rusty hook? Yeah, look at all that fishing line. Isn't that great? Careful. Yeah, there's lots of bugs. They don't bite you too hard though. Yeah, I'm really in the water. Hi, guys. Huh? No, I'm a magnet fisher. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, I do YouTube. What else we can find here, huh? You guys are following the girls. Oh no, that's funny. Good luck, guys. Yeah. Good luck, guys. Can I see one in here? No, I guess not. Oh, what's underneath that? No. Nope, nope. Okay, it's okay. Oh, let's not throw that in though. Oh, there's tons of people on the dock now. I'm glad I'm over here now. Huh? What is that? You feel something? No. Nope. Nope. It's okay. Oh, I'm getting 2 foot back. Oh, here's a fishing hook. Yeah, everyone we can get out is good. Okay, hold on here. Is there a line in that? No? Just so you guys know, this in no way hurts these plants. Well, I mean, I'm sure it does hurt these plants, but these suckers just grow right back. Let's go see what we can find through here. I see a bottle. Bottle top. So we get that. Have it reposition. Nope, we gotta reposition. Hold on, let's get a little closer. Ooh, let's get a little closer. Let's just grab some of these guys. Get a little closer. Okay. Oh, there we go. There's a bottle cap. We are not passing up garbage while we're sitting here. These actually go through a period of time where they, yeah, that's a, where they make you itchy. So is this a woman who's just digging? Oh my gosh, look at this stick. Oh, so tired of the stick. Yes, I found something. Hold on. Don't you worry. Oh, there's a bottle. Dude, it's not cool. That's just floating. Yeah. It's a bottle. No, it's stuck again. It's just on these guys. That's just really polluted. I'm sure. See, just stuck on the roots. Wow. What can I say? I don't know what to say. That's really stuck. Again, is it any fishing line in there? No, nope, just stuck on the roots. See, it can be really hard to do stuff in when it's the season. Huh? I want to keep trying. Now this other grass here is really easy to pull up. We'll just go out and dink around in this grass a little bit. But again, getting farther and farther from the dock means it's going to get harder and harder to unstick it. Right? on over here. Okay, that's okay. Oop, oop. Let's see where this is going to take us. We'll just keep pulling the fishing line. Yeah, that's going to take us out here. Oh, look at that. See that? We're going out with the fishing line. This is fishing line. We're going to go past it and pull it out. I have to imagine it's much like the, it's very much like the magnet. There we go. The angles are important. So we got some of it. We'll get some more of it. Let's see what's in here. Oh, there's more of it. Yeah. Oh, look at that. What a big hook. Alicia. Ooh. That is your buddy, man. Alicia loves that stuff. Okay, there's more down here. More line even. So I'm going to keep getting the line out. Okay, let's keep going. Yeah. Let's see where this is all going to take us. Oops, there went our weight now. That's okay. There we went. Look at this fishing line. Holy cannoli. You think they were trying to get it? Hi, how are you? Grandma Kelly's Clean Life, Clean Living. Is your car over there?
Yes.
It's on the back of my car. Just take a picture.
Okay.
It's the Subaru. It says Grandma Kelly's Clean Life, Clean Living. And I always keep it kid friendly, okay? Ah, this is a big one. Look at this fishing line. Where are you taking me? Wait, I got this down now here too. Let's get this up. Okay, I got fishing line going this way. This guy going that way. Hold on. All right. Put this up here. Okay. Where's my little scissors? Is that it? Did I get it all? No, still haven't got it all. Holy cannoli, what are you hooked to? Oh, it's so much. Ah, whatever it was on, I think it's half now. Whoa, holy moly, guys. That's some fishing line, huh? What do you think? Yeah, that was a whole bunch. Oop. That was a whole bunch. And let's see now what we have in here. You need help? Let me know.
Actually, did need your help because we lost his fishing pole
Where?
down over there.
What side?
Oh, no, we got it back though.
Oh, okay. I was gonna go grab it for you.
The street.
Yeah, you guys just always let me know. I can go back and I could have gone back and got it for you, no problem. It just takes time. Ooh, there's a beer cap, a beer bottle cap. I guess that is a beer cap, right? fishing line. Oh, you guys, it's so beautiful here. Ah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, man. Oh, it's stuck again. That was on something. Look at all this slaggy stuff. Right? We'll take a picture. Oh, there's something down there. Don't know what it is, but it's something down there. Something heavy. And I don't see it, so let's move a little bit more away. Oh, here's an open spot. In here. Oh, let's go to this open spot. This open spot. Oh, there's something blue. Come on, let's look at that. I don't know what that is, but it's blue. Yeah, oh, yeah. Don't know what that is, but it's blue. I'm gonna go to this little open spot here. Oh, there's a bottle cap. Oops, stop it. Fish line again. Let's see where that goes. There's fishing line again.